Hey everybody, Brent here with Autosport Labs with another update for the RaceCapture 2.0 dashboard changes. So with the last video we talked about the histogram and how we are showing data over time, not just instantaneous data with the new dashboard features. This is taking from the technology from the analysis gauges used in the podium map, but repurposing them for a dashboard. And this will have a number of benefits for visualizing data, and we'll talk about what that will look like for the line chart. So let's add our favorite sensor, the yaw gauge, because I can grab a RaceCapture sitting here on my desk and kind of visualize what that looks like. I'll go ahead and add a histogram gauge as well for the same channel, and you'll get an idea of what that looks like. So here's the data over time. So right now we're storing a buffer of 1,000 samples just for visualization. I think we'll probably make this configurable like we talked about in the last video. So there's a histogram building up, and as it builds up, that center one where represents the sensor motionless is reduced, and now you can see that it's balanced out. And then as I change it, you can see the histogram shows where I'm spending most of my time, just like histograms do. Okay, now leave it motionless, and then that center value will take over. I'm going to go add a line chart also for the yaw channel, and then kind of spread it out here. So again, this is the RaceCapture dashboard. Doesn't look much like your typical dashboard at the moment, but as you can see, you can create any gauge layout you want. And in a future video, I'll show you how to lay out a dashboard for like racing use. Let's say you're out on track. But here what we're looking at is a line chart and showing a moving window of the last 1,000 samples. So what this could be useful for is a dashboard mode. Let's say you're standing outside of the car while the car's in the garage and you're monitoring some information. You have the RaceCapture app. You're just looking at some trends. So that's useful for like not racing diagnostics. You could create a dashboard page that is just dedicated for this purpose. And here I'm moving the RaceCapture that's connected. This is the yaw sensor inside, and you're able to see the data updating in real time, along with the instantaneous analog gauge, the histogram, as well as this line chart with the moving sample. Do you see any use of this on track? Maybe a short trend window for oil pressure, so you can kind of compare that against the instantaneous value? Let me know in the comments. Also, we haven't talked about it yet, but upcoming we'll be using the historical data, I should say, in the analog gauge as well for storing min, max, and mean values, further making it useful. So we'll work on some visualizations for that. So yeah, let me know what you think, and we'll be posting an updated video as we work through our other gauges. All right, thanks for watching.